You can expect a lot from the 2017 Chevrolet Corvette. This two-door, two-passenger coupe offers the latest in technological innovation and style. Chevrolet made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Chevrolet prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including automatic dimming door mirrors, heated and ventilated seats, and much more. The unique heads-up display projects vehicle information onto the windshield, including speed, gear selection, and engine speed. Drivers benefit by not having to take their eyes off the road. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.